With rising costs and tight margins, the need for efficiency from sales to production is more important than ever. At KETIV, we not only recognize this need, but understand that automation drastically reduces design time and increases flexibility to meet customer requirements in the design process. In this example, the layout and design process is full of necessary yet simple and repetitive tasks, such as selecting and placing each component in 3D space, which is extremely time-consuming and non-value added.
Using Inventor's powerful parameters, forms, and iLogic part generation can be automated in a way that removes restrictions and limitations found in other methods. This added versatility not only creates a quicker and easier design process, but also allows for the development of advanced custom automation and Inventor user interface integration using API tools. By eliminating repetitive or calculative design tasks, engineers are able to utilize their deep product knowledge to design non-standard solutions, innovate, and focus on product quality, resulting in increased output from engineering to production. With KETIV's unique solution, not only is design output expanded, providing increased revenue, but the stage is set for further efficiency increases upon the future development of additional automation for quicker and more accurate quotes, BOM extraction, and integration to other business systems, nesting tools, and other tasks along the value stream.
By utilizing KETIV's highly experienced development team, you will avoid lengthy and costly development time, resulting in the realization of gains in increased profitability on a shorter timeline.